everybody, so today we're gonna organize my pantry. Don't look at the mess. And don't mind my eyebrow either. You know what, just don't look at anything. We're gonna organize it, and I started a little bit right here. I got these little shelves from Target. We're gonna do the whole kitchen, the fridge and the pantry, so not the whole kitchen, just those two things. I got these, they're little shelves, and then it comes with the legs right there. So I started on this one, and I'm gonna put like cans and stuff in the bottom, but then like also this one, because everything, like look how tall it is. But our pantry is not wide, like you can't tell, but this door is little. Like it's so tall and skinny. So there's just so much space that could be utilized up here, so we're gonna stack it all up. I'll be at the cleaning day because my life is a wreck. I got this thing to put up, all of these things, because they're just like laying around, and I have more but they're dirty, but they just lay in there, and I think that's so stupid. So I got this thing so that they can like sit in it. And then I got this little thing for the fridge. This is like our meat and cheese drawer, but I have so much more, and it just sits down here, so I'm gonna try to fit most of it in there, maybe like just stick it right under there, and I can pull it out when I need it. And I also cleaned the fridge, and it looks a lot better. Okay, so this is what we got. So like, I think it helped because I definitely wouldn't have been able to fit all of that in there with the way it was set up. But at the same time, it still looks a mess. So I basically already organized the fridge earlier when we were putting the cold stuff away. I'm just gonna wipe this out with a Clorox wipe because I don't know who touched it. We don't really keep much in our fridge except we got some vegetables in here, some fruits behind me, a lot of like sauces on the side of the door, and then some drinks. And then if there's any leftovers, we'll throw them in there. But that's another thing about our kitchen and like leftover stuff. We don't have a microwave. We don't want one. So we heat up everything on the stove or in the oven. A lot of the times it's like family members giving us leftovers. Maybe I should just put all the cheeses in here because I got a lot of cheese. And then maybe I'll be able to fit all the meats in here. I think I'm gonna throw this away. It's one slice of bologna. We're not gonna eat it. Maybe I'll give it to a squirrel. I guess we'll put the cheese up here. Go. The thing about organizing these in that little that thing is that I have a whole new box of pots and pans that my mom got me for Christmas because mine are beat up. You don't know, but if you watched my making an egg video, okay, that one's actually the best looking one, but like they're beat up. Like that's not dirt, that's chips. Like that's a giant ass crack in it. Like all of these little lines are chips as well. This one's dirty, but like, can you see? Like that's not dirt, that's the cracks in a pan. Like hold on. Like, that's a layer of the pan coming out. Like, it's hard to explain because it's not clean. Look at the back of it. This is Rachel Ray. You would never know. This shit is beat up. Look at that one. That's all chips. So here's our little stacker. I just washed all the stuff. I'm actually cooking some stuff on the stove right now, so... Okay, there we are. Oh, wow. Okay, well, the other ones are sitting on the stove, so that's what I got for you. Okay, so that's what we got going on so far. I put it, like, facing us. You can't see it, but there's stuff in there. I'll show you. This fits in this, which is so satisfying, even though I don't really use a strainer. But it fits perfectly. It's so satisfying. The only problem I really face is that I'll have to like unstack everything before I use it, but honestly I did that with my other ones, so I'm not really concerned at all. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.